Hello and welcome to City University of London's Accelerated Masters Programme online event. The university offers courses in adult, mental health and children's nursing and the combined adult and mental health programme. My name is David Anderson and I am one of the children's nursing admissions tutors. This presentation will provide information about the university, your planned programme of study, student life, and each of my fellow admissions tutors will provide a brief overview about the respective MSc programmes. You will have your own individual reasons for considering City to undertake your programme. However, as prospective students, you will be interested in what fellow students think about their time spent studying nursing courses at City. Additionally, you are considering a course which provides you with both academic and practice experience in the field of nursing you have chosen to specialise in. Each field of nursing has its own unique and specialist characteristics, all of which move you towards a challenging profession where you can and will make a difference. Employment prospects for all City students are excellent, with many varied career pathways open to each and every one of you, irrespective of your chosen field of nursing. At City, we believe it is essential to help you be successful in your chosen programme of study. To this extent, the university and the School of Health Sciences provides multi-layered support for all its students. At a local level, support is available for you from your personal tutor, from your programme director, from your module leaders, and a designated student help desk specifically for students from the School of Health Sciences. In addition, support is also available for academic support, disability support, and learning needs support from the Department of Learning Enhancement and Development. The university also provides a centralised support service in the Student Centre, where help and advice can be obtained around finances, accommodation, careers and any spiritual advice. When attending placement for the practice component of your programme, you will be supported by a team of linked lecturers from the university, qualified nurses who will act as practice supervisors and assessors, and practice education facilitators who are specifically employed by our partner trust to help support students during their placement.
The MSc in Adult and Mental Health Pre-Registration Nursing is a unique and innovative programme of study over 3 years. People with long-term physical conditions often have mental health needs, and people suffering from mental illness have a higher risk of physical health problems than the general public. Therefore, to meet the demands of today's healthcare service, future nurses need skills and knowledge in both fields of nursing. At the end of this innovative programme, you'll be eligible to register with the Nursing and Midwifery Council in both the adult and mental health fields of nursing.
Hello, my name is Rachel Grant and I'm an adult admissions tutor and registered nurse who specialises in critical care nursing. I teach on both the under and postgraduate courses here at City University of London. Adult nursing offers you a wide variety of experiences and potential career opportunities, both in and out of the hospital setting. You'll be caring for patients and their families across the adult lifespan. Patients will have many different conditions. Some examples include heart disease, cancer, diabetes, lung disease, kidney failure, blood disorders and traumatic injuries. Our Clinical Skills Centre allows you to practice your skills in a safe and supportive environment. And you'll be able to practice using everyday equipment as well as work through some more complex simulations. At all times you'll be supported by lecturers who are all qualified professionals as well as our experienced clinical skills facilitators. You will have the opportunity to work with one of our partner trusts, which include Barts Health, which comprises of the Royal London, St Bartholomew's, Newham and Whipps Cross hospitals, Homerton Hospital and University College London hospitals. Experience is not only in acute setting, you will also have placements in the community which include GP surgeries, nursing homes and clients' own homes. At all times you will work alongside qualified nurses as part of the healthcare team and we ensure that you are well supported throughout your placements with practice facilitators, link lecturers and practice assessors who will all help you to develop the skills and knowledge that you need and make links between theory and practice.
Mental health refers to a person's cognitive and emotional well-being, how they feel, how they think, how they behave. In the UK, 1 in 4 people are thought to have a mental health issue at any given time. Mental health nursing is an exciting, rewarding, but also challenging career choice. As a registered nurse, your role is to promote and support a person's well-being and recovery. As a student nurse training for mental health nursing, you will be supported by the multidisciplinary team and registered nurses. You will be expected to plan and provide care, which will help people to come to understand their circumstances and their condition and encourage them to get involved with their own care and well-being. City, University of London, works closely with our NHS partners, in particular East London NHS Foundation Trust. Most of your mental health placements will take place within this trust, which received a CQC rating of outstanding. East London Foundation Trust offers you a wide variety of placements.
Hello, my name is Lukas Zambrzycki. I'm a lecturer and admissions tutor for children's nursing. Children's nursing is a rewarding and fulfilling career when you are required to be a confident, resilient and compassionate person. Children that would require your care as a nurse might suffer acute or long-term problems. These children may have mental health issues, special needs or life-limiting illnesses. Children's nurses are very versatile as they care for neonates, babies, children and adolescents up to 16 and in some circumstances even 19 years of age. It is essential that as a children's nurse you can empower children of all ages as well as provide support and work in partnership with their families. Our university developed long-standing strategic partnership with NHS trusts and associate professional bodies. This enables our students to work within diverse populations on placements in prestigious settings across London. You'll be placed in a range of settings, allowing you to experience many different children's nursing environments and specialties. The placements will include community settings such as special schools, nurseries, health visiting and community children nursing services. Although these are spread across the area of Greater London, our placement allocation team will consider your accommodation postcode in the time of the course, allowing you to travel within reasonable distances. The specialist hospitals placements in which most of your clinical hours will be allocated are based in the region of north and northeast of the River Thames. The Royal London in Tower Hamlets, Whipps Cross in Waltham Forest and Newham in the Newham Borough are 3 hospitals that provide world-class clinical services and are managed by Barts Health, currently the biggest NHS trust in the United Kingdom. University College London and Specialised Paediatric at Ormond Street are 2 renowned hospitals in the borough of Camden. You may also acquire a crucial experience of more common conditions doing the placements in Homerton and North Middlesex hospitals based in Hackney and Enfield respectively.
The MSc Single Field and the MSc in Adult and Mental Health Combined programme are both shortened by the use of the recognition of prior learning and practice process. This process is known as RPL. Details of the RPL theory claim will be forwarded to you if and when you are offered a conditional place on one of these programmes of study. The RPL practice is different for the MSc Combined and the MSc Single Field. The MSc Combined Adult and Mental Health programme, you must have evidence of 500 practice hours before you can commence the programme. For the RPL practice for MSc Single Field, you can claim 500 hours, but you can also commence the programme with no clinical experience. If you have no clinical experience, you can complete these hours at the end of your programme. Details of how to claim your practice hours for either programme of study will be emailed to you if you're successful at interview. City, University of London, is an equal opportunities organisation. We aim to support you to be successful in your programme, regardless of your circumstances. It is important you inform us of any barriers or limitations as soon as possible, so we can work with you to enable your success in your studies.